here's a video looking at the hammers on the mill, item number 19058. The hammers do have some wear on it, as you can tell, but they do seem to be in good shape. I think you can see there's a little piece out of that one. But you can look at the shaft here and see where there is some wear on the shaft, and there appears to be some type of packing to seal off that shaft, and it probably needs replaced. And you can look at the other side as well and still see some wear. This is item number 19058 again. We're going to rotate the hammer shaft. Alright, this is a video for item number 19058, looking at the top head of the mill here. There is some wear on it, but it looks to be in good shape. But you can see that it is removable. You can replace it if you need to.